Okay, let us do some diagrammatic reasoning this morning. This is gotten from assessment day, the subscribed version actually. If we look at this diagrammatic reasoning, it's very important for especially for those people that have been going for aptitude test and all of that. You must have seen something like this. You will be given series of diagrams and then you'll be given the patterns. So basically, when you are given a question like this, don't go about studying every pattern. Like for instance, you see there is a pattern here in the first one here, there is a pattern in the second one here, a pattern in the third one, and then the fourth one. So, but then you first of all come to your question: what is the symbol that is connecting your two boxes? The symbol is this circle here. So you go to this sample here, you see that this is the first one here is having that circle, so is the one you are going to study. And when you have this circle, what are you supposed to do? The instructions say that when you are given this circle, you are to change the shading of the hourglasses. The hourglasses, they are talking about this first one here in your question. You see that bigger hourglass and then the smaller hourglass here, so the shadings has to be changed. That is, since the first one, the bigger one, is not shaded, in this the other side is going to be shaded. So if we check that, you see that A will tick the box, C will tick the box, and then D will tick the box, because the first bigger hourglass has to be shaded. Then the second one is the last hourglass there. The last hourglass, since it's shaded in the first one, in the second one is not to be shaded. Then you now check, you see that A did not tick the box, because the small hourglass is shaded here, which is wrong. But then C and D still tick. So how do we now know which one is the correct one? We are going to know this by the box, the square in the middle. If you check the in your question, the square in the middle there is shaded, but coming to option C, the square is not shaded, and they did not ask you to do anything to the square. Nobody asked you to unshade the square. So going by that, option D is the answer. So this is how to solve questions like this. If you love this kind of thing and then you want to see more on this, so that they will kind of enlighten you how to answer this kind of questions in your aptitude test, do well to subscribe to my channel or follow, depending on which platform you are watching from. And I have more than 1,000 of those questions. I will keep dropping them for you. Bye.